Hello. Once again, welcome sa online tutorial natin. So, yun, maraming salamat sa mga nag-avail or nag-subscribe. Ano bang tawag doon? Nag-join pala, tama. Iba kasi yung join, iba din yung subscribe. So, nag-subscribe at nag-join sa membership. Hopefully na nakatulong ako. So, continue tayo. Number 8 na tayo. So, for number 8, determine the reaction excluding moment, no? The fixed support A on the cantilever beam shown in ME. Anong ME? ME mechanics? Hindi naman. Hindi ko din alam. So, anyway, determine the force reaction excluding moment. So, if excluding moment, determine the force reaction excluding moment. So, we assume that at the fixed port at A. Siguro yung resultant lang ng vertical and horizontal. So, I think this is very easy. You can just sum up forces vertical and, excuse me, sum up lang tayo ng forces vertical and horizontal para dito. So, formation of forces horizontal is equal to 0, upward equals downward. Looking at the figure, walang upward except for the reaction here kasi meron tayong upward reaction dyan. So, that will be RA. Anong letter yan? A lang. So, RAV. So, upward is equal to downward. Looking at the figure, ang downward naman is actually yung 6 plus the downward component of 4 kilonewton. So, ang downward component nan, it's either 4 sine theta or 4 cosine theta. Now, since ang theta is nasa horizontal, then ang horizontal component ang cosine. Ang vertical component ang sine. So, meaning this is 4 sine 30 degrees. So, yan yung RAV. While ang ito yung RAV natin, 8. While ang RAH will be summation of forces horizontal is equal to 0. So, magsama tayo ng forces horizontal is equal to 0 to the right equals to the left. Ang to the right, dalawa. Ito lang. Actually, isa lang. Ang to the right is only the horizontal component of 4. So, ang horizontal component, kung kanina 4 sine theta, ngayon this will be 4 cosine theta. Sorry. Yan. So, meaning, ang resultant, the reaction, this will be RA. Again, this is excluding the moment. This is square root of RAV squared plus RAH squared. 8.72, which is itong letter D. Okay? So, di ko alam ba't nangyari to. Medyo madali lang yung problem na to. Sige, so if you have any questions or clarifications or corrections, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Maraming salamat sa panonood.